In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore quick access in File Explorer in Windows. If your quick access section has disappeared, stopped showing your frequent folders, or just isn't behaving the way it used to, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the key settings to check so you can get it working again. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look toward the top of the window and find the View or three dots menu, depending on your Windows version. From there, choose Options. This will open a small window called Folder Options. Inside Folder Options, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where you control how File Explorer behaves when it starts and how quick access works. At the very top, you'll see a drop-down that says Open File Explorer 2. If you want quick access to show up when you open File Explorer, set this to Quick Access instead of this PC. This ensures that every time you open File Explorer, you'll see your pinned and frequently used folders right away. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy near the bottom of this window. Here you should see two checkboxes, one for showing recently used files in Quick Access, and another for showing frequently used folders in Quick Access. If these are unchecked, Quick Access will look empty or incomplete. Go ahead and tick both boxes if you want Windows to automatically populate Quick Access with what you use most often. If your Quick Access has gotten cluttered or is showing things you don't want, this is also where you can reset it. In that same Privacy section, click the Clear button. This doesn't delete your files. It just clears the history of what appears in Quick Access. After clearing, Windows will start fresh and rebuild the list based on what you open next. Once you've adjusted these settings, click Apply. Then OK to close out of Folder Options. To see the changes, close File Explorer and open it again. You should now see Quick Access either restored to the left-hand sidebar or working properly with your recent files and frequent folders showing up. If you still don't see what you expect, try opening a few folders and files, then check Quick Access again. It may take a little activity for it to repopulate. With these settings in place, your Quick Access should now be restored and ready to make navigating your files much faster.